we're here. It is March the 24th, Thursday, 1946. Sorry, that's 7 o'clock, 7:46 p.m. I'm at almost 8 o'clock. Sorry, I'm looking at a military time. I'm trying to tell you by 12-hour time at the same time. Looking at the shining light in the sky. You see it here between the branches and my flashlight. Here it is. Got a little noise in the background. Sorry, that's normal. Always do revving cars and stereos always. Probably hear a siren any moment here. Yeah, we have flashing lights here in the Denver sky. Flashing lights, seemingly hovering aircraft. They flash, and sometimes the light seems to just dim out from the aircraft or the hovercraft, whatever it is that we have here in the skies, or in disguise. They seem to look like stars at first, but if you line your camera or your telescope in between a tree branch or a straight edge, you'll see that they move in and out from your straight edge or your branch. Now in the background, we got some horns honking and revving their engines. We have a stereo, and there's a helicopter. Yeah, here's a helicopter. So the light seems to dim in and out. If you'll get a tree branch or a straight edge of like a house, or you'll notice the erratic movement of these craft in the sky. You'll notice that it's not a star at all, but they disguise to look like a star in the skies. And at first you would you pass it by and you wouldn't think twice about something like this. But in fact, it is not starlight. Starlight doesn't move like that. Starlight is so ancient that we're seeing starlight from millennia ago. Those starlights that you see now are just ancient light. It's just catching up with our sight. The speed of light is actually quite slow compared to the vastness of space. So indeed, starlight couldn't be moving like this. I'm not speculating on what this might be, but I'll say here in Denver, Colorado, and here in the metro area and up north, we've had reports of drone sightings. A few years ago, we had many drone sightings and reports on the news of drones. So I'm not speculating that this may be one. I'm not sure what these things are, but you'll see them frequently. And not just one or two of them, many of them. You can pick any given spot in the Denver night sky, and you will see these lighted objects. Not saying that they are drones. I'm not saying that they are planes. If it's an airplane, it's hovering, certainly. And we've just got them. Every night, any given night, you can find these craft hovering. I can tell you but it's not. It's not starlight. I can tell you that for sure. It isn't stars. Some kind of hovering craft. Now, this craft is playing peekaboo right now. This is what I call peekaboo. Now, they're not really playing peekaboo, but it's hovering in a way that you wouldn't see starlight normally. Starlight doesn't move. Not like this. We do as a planet, we move. but not back and forth. It doesn't move back and forth like my flashlight is moving right now. You won't see it. It won't move this way and then move back this way unless the tree is moving. The tree is not moving. No, starlight shouldn't be teetering back and forth like this. No, it doesn't move like that. That's what I'm saying. So here it is. It's in the frame, then it's out the frame, and if you saw the last video, it's a flash too. They flash and they'll dim out and then come back on, and then dim back out and then come back on, and then dim back out again. I had one fly right over my head and then dim out. Flew over my head and then dimmed all the way out a few weeks back.